Now we're videoing. Good, so just that 90-degree turn, right? Don't step through her. She may need that. So we're okay. So move one way or another. You're in between hides.
Oh.
Yeah. So.
Higher?
There's one there. Let her. Yeah, there we go. There you go. So that's where she was going to turn in front of you? Because that hide was over there.
Where is it exactly?
In the wheel. Good, and she's gotten to converging, and that's why you had that stutter when you got in here. Nice, head drop. There, nice.
Alert?
Yes. Good, nice handling. There is, but I might move. There we go. Yes. I say I might move to your left and come back. No, it's fine. She then gave you. Yeah. Well, at first it was more of a look. She wasn't searching, so I wanted her to be searching.